One of my most favorite car shows of the year is finally here. We just arrived at Hunt&Co Seattle. Our trailer is here, about to unload the car and get going. We have a pretty cool location. If you guys remember last year, it was actually inside, but like because it was inside, the fire marshals didn't allow us to have our easy up tents up. It was pretty messy. So this year what they did is they're actually going to give us this whole entire grass lot. So the main show's right here. This is like the main road and the main entrance and the stage over there. And although we're not like in the middle of the show, they're just going to give us this whole entire section. And BS for Build's about to be here, and then Throttle was about to be here, and then we're about to set up our stuff right here. So it's going to be cool. We're taking over the whole entire nook.
And subscribe for my mantle.
Calvin's outfit choices will always confuse me, but I support you, my Nino.
I ain't your Nino.
Oh, that's coming back.
Bro.
That's gonna be the fucking
bro. I ain't your new Nino.
Bro, it's okay, bro. B is for both girls. It looks so good. Kevin and I were just talking about this build this morning.
Yeah. Wow. This is a thing.
Normally I would want to say I would never ever want to see this be done, but like seeing it done is pretty cool.
Dude! Oh hell yeah! What a stream meme! That's just a great stream meme.
Oh, it's a good time to plug your Twitch.
Plug me, Kev. Plug me good.
All right, this meme comes from twitch.tv/KuyaCalvin.
That's right, baby.
Follow him on Twitch. You kind of know where this comes from. One of you guys made this fucking shirt.
It was Bird. It was Birdie Bird.
Picture came from.
It's Birdie Bird. Goddamn. Good on him.
Vote for Jumba.
Vote for Jumba.
And his vice president, the Nino. What a duo.
I'm not the Nino.
What a duo.
Anyways,
I'm not your Nino.
Getting this car down that sidewalk.
Yeah, we didn't film it. We probably should have.
Yeah, we should have.
But it was too much focus. Too much focus.
Film you getting out.
Hey, what we need to film is getting Chris's Lambo up here, because if we drop that, whoop, it's sending.
Dude,
later, Lambeezy.
You know what? It's okay. It's a viral video, bro.
It's okay. It's already crashed.
It's already a salvage title.
Crash it again.
Hey, Chris has rebuilt a car like that before. Ain't that right, Chris?
Double rebuilding the Lamborghini.
Said that like you were like choking.
Double
Lamborghini.
Almost 1 million. Congratulations, Chris.
We're gonna party tonight. I think we're gonna hit it tonight.
It's gonna happen.
We're 10,000 away.
That's easy.
We're gonna party tonight?
Easy.
Let's just hit it on Instagram.
Hey.
Let's just make it happen.
That's
My
right.
hotel's got a bar.
Yeah, just give me your hotel room and the number, and we'll just post it, and we'll all meet there.
After party. BS for Build after.
Oh, good job, boys. Nope, you're good, Kyle. Just stay here. Let him wait. Keep going. We got like 2 feet. Is it all off the trailer? No, just get the trailer out of here.
Dude, your car in the grass, man.
The grass gives the optical illusion of like being lower than you really are. The smell of this garage is gonna make me pass out.
Yeah, there's a strong smell. It's just straight catless everything.
Dude, this red 86 is probably one of the cleanest looking 86s I've ever seen. It reminds me of Ryan Turk's 458 swapped motor.
Yeah, it does.
That looks so clean. Shout out to the only FD that I've seen while being here so far. The best part about car shows like this are honestly the roll-up. When they're in the show and the music's blasting and you can't even talk to anybody, like it's all right, but the best thing is the roll-up into the show. You get to actually look at all the cars drive by.
Well, the best thing was hanging out with me.
This guy. This fucking guy.
Oh, doctor.
Did you see me talking shit to you?
Yes, I did,
You
man.
see the memes,
We're
bro?
supposed to be brothers.
You said the...
How do you guys get to see? What the heck?
I found Calvin's dream girl. Hell yeah.
What are you doing?
I had to show him Calvin's dream girl, besides Emily. I forgot that we're in Washington and we're close to Canada, so R34s can cross the border over here. The amount of comments that I get on Instagram of people telling me to do this to my car is ridiculous. Oh. Oh. Finally. We see some more RX-7s. Finally. What's up, dude? How's it going?
I'm Doritos. That's my car.
Look at this phony.
What a phony!
What a phony. That's literally our old setup. And they were just waving at us and then you aired out.
You fuckers!
You're a phony!
You fuckers!
The amount of times I've wanted to do an Uricon build, but because they've been done 40 million times. Oh no, did you fall asleep again, bro?
I'm Lambo Man.
Okay,
What's up, man?
I want to say, because of Kevin drinking all my Monsties,
didn't drink it!
you did.
I didn't drink it! Hey, Kevin, you didn't look with your eyes!
Look, here we go. Look at that. Hey, next time just ask. I don't know why you guys think. Yeah, I don't know why you guys think this is a good idea. Stalking my old Facebook and finding shit you're not supposed to see. Both of you, wow.
Are you kidding me? That's my new rap.
Oh my god. Is this a thing now? Everyone just like makes their own hodgepodge shirts of old photos and wears them?
So if you guys are ever wondering why I'm not at the booth at these shows, it's because when I'm at the booth, I make that line go 2 to 3 times longer. And we can't have that. Because TJ loves to meet you all, but I'm an asshole and prevent that. But the good guy that I am, I'm not there right now. I'm around the show looking at things. This is the car, boys. This is it. I don't know if you know this, but the one that I steal memes from is this car. Think of it now, baby. Look at this hood. Look at it good, remember it. Remember this hood. Remember this front bumper. Because we about to be out here. Birdie, I'm coming for you. I want to see your technique on how to draw on shirts, because when I try to sign these things, it's bad. It's a bad meme.
Okay, I'll show you.
Oh, Pikachu.
My 10-second Pikachu.
Oh, it's adorable already, bro. I see you.
He's the artist, he's from that.
Which guy? Oh, he's fancy.
Oh, a little froey Pikachu.
You can watch his videos.
Oh, my dude.
That's my Pikachu.
Oh yeah.
Pika-Pee.
Ta-da! I'll sign it.
You want one? Okay.
Is it a light touch that you do?
Thank you.
Yeah,
Good
it's
on
all
you,
about the weight of the line, brother.
That's what I'm saying. Good on you, man. Yeah, gotta get a picture with Jumpy's face in it. Ready? Yeah! Yeah! Take it. Did you take it? Hell yeah! Jumpy for press. Everybody on my Twitch knows what this means. All day, I've been looking for the man who owns this. Hey, get him over here! Hey! Quiet on set! I'm trying to find this man with the Aventador! Because I need to look at the Lambo doors and see how they work. I'm super curious. I need to figure it out because my Lambo doors aren't actual Lambo doors, and these are actual Lambo doors. Excuse me, sorry. These are actual Lambo doors. So I'm super curious to see how these function. Because as you can see, they actuate one way and close. Shout out to our boy, Dr. M3. Cody, you're not here today, so I can't look at your car. I know you'd let me touch your car. I need to figure out, next time we see each other, I need to figure out how. Duh, you're gonna get me in trouble. Monkatosh. Emily Toss, that's T-O-S. Cody, when I see your Aventador, I need to inspect it. I need to know how Lambo doors work. First thing I noticed was the thing that clamps is on the body, not the door. Whereas in normal cars, you would see the latch on the door.
Is this Calvin's camera?
Is this Calvin's camera?
Calvin.
We're just over here shilling.
Shilling in the
Kick my ass if you guys steal. Get your putito out of here. Get in here. Not garbage. Garbage. Not garbage. Garbage. Randy, I'm out here. I'm trying to eat your ass. Do you have a silver? What? I didn't say anything.
Yeah, I heard you say.
Oh, here you go. What did I say, Teach? You didn't hear me say anything. What did I say? What did I say?
Said garbage and not garbage.
Yeah. He right.
Okay, so I planted this box, and in this box is an ice. I'm like, Dad, yo, someone gave me a congratulations gift for your, summer shred. You can open it, you're gonna get ice.
He gonna get ice.
Oh my god.
They wanted to say congrats for your summer shred, so they gave you a little gift.
I'm scared to open it.
Why? What? Some guy came over here, he wanted to give it to you.
I'm not gonna open it. I'm gonna save it.
You are not nice. Dude, he wanted you to open it on camera.
This is gonna be bad. Who gave me this? Which one of you? Is he here?
Ah, bitch! Everyone's here to witness it.
Right.
Yes, dude. Oh.
That's a big one.
That's a big ass one, dude.
It's brand new. Someone gave it to me and I'm like, you know what? Dut needs that. Dut needs that now.
I cannot drink this.
Oh no, but you can. You just,
I have to.
Woohoo! Oh.
Oh wow, I thought I drank more than that.
Yeah. Yeah.
Cal!
What is this turned into? Yeah. Play some stuff. Yes. Yeah.
Good watching you, bro.
Calvin's my niño, and you guys are my mijos.
My mijo?
Los mijos.
Like 8:10. We're almost there.
8:30. The show ends at 10.
Hour and a half.
We've been doing this since 3:30. We still have a pretty healthy line. But I'm giving an update because I haven't had the camera in a while. I will say Seattle, the temperature is going down. It feels a lot better. I put a sweatshirt on. But it's... Hey, get out of here. Get out of here. Messing up. Messing up my hair, mijo. We have an hour and a half left. Your boy's dying. J1s are great and all, but after hour 6, while standing, my feet hurt. They hurt real bad.
Enjoyed my memes today, guys. That's all you're getting. Eating cold fries, Teeter's ass. Peace out.
I think Drunk Dut did an outro.
Did an outro?
That's what I thought.
Did he?
I think.
Good on.
Oh.
That's McGuire's toss.
That was Naked Sabrina. Calvin did a lot of vlogging today. Hopefully he did a good job. He said he made a bunch of good memes, so hopefully he made some good memes. Seattle, you guys continue to bring out some real heat, so thank you for that. We had a good time. I definitely got really cranky towards the end of the night. I didn't show it, but man, I was tired. A lot of you guys were asking about the Supra information. In the next following days, I think we might have some big news, so I'm gonna keep you guys updated on that. I'm super tired. We have to go to the airport in 3 hours. Oh my God. Saying that out loud is terrible.
Is that real?
I think Dut did an outro, and if he didn't, then this video is gonna end right after here. But I was told Dut did an outro, so we'll send it to there.
Later, haters.
Peace out and keep moving forward.